we're back again. Pants of shit I try to hide. I brace the railing firm again. Dark brown seeps outside. Wonder if I should run off stage. Coughing fit pantsuit stain the color of my shame. Shit covered dame. Coughing fits they haunt me. Keep me up late at night. Pantsuit stained irreparably. Media will blame the right. Shitty pantsuits, shitty floors, shitty deep ends wearing through. Coughing fit wears me out. Will I make November? Here I stand and here I lie. And then shit streams down my thigh.
Coughing fit, with pants of shit, pants of shit. Coughing fit, with pants of shit, pants of shit.
Audience stares back at me, they stare me down tonight. I didn't know what to say, thought about ending my life. I clenched my fist, clenched my sides, and clenched my ass, yet it still opened up anyway. The stench made me fall. Should have shut down everything. I should have shut down the feed. Too many people seen it. Too much shit's been freed. I've killed for less in so many places. So many staring, so many faces. So many shitty things they'll regret living. I will kill them all for this. That's always worked before now.
Coughing fit, with pants of shit, pants of shit. Coughing fit, with pants of shit, pants of shit. Coughing fit, with pants of shit, pants of shit. Coughing fit, with pants of shit, pants of shit.